Life gets messy. For me, it's not just the remodeling chaos you will likely notice in the background. It's the way stress, noise, and busyness pile up until I can't even think straight. That's why I started making bath bombs. It's simple, but it's also a ritual. Every step, the measuring, mixing, pressing, slows me down, reminds me to just breathe, and creates a little piece of calm I can hold in my hands. Today, I want to share that with you. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, half a cup of arrowroot powder, and 2 tablespoons of magnesium. I like to blend mine into a fine powder, but you can leave it in flakes for a more rustic look. You'll also need 2 teaspoons of sweet almond oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla paste, and a spray bottle filled with water. You can swap the oil and the scent for your favorites. Just be sure to check for skin sensitivities before using. Start by combining 1 cup baking soda, half a cup citric acid, half a cup arrowroot powder, and 2 tablespoons magnesium in a large bowl. Mix until the dry ingredients are evenly blended. We do not want any clumps here. In a separate small bowl, stir together 1 teaspoon vanilla paste or extract and 2 teaspoons sweet almond oil. Then slowly add this mixture into the dry ingredients, blending as you go. I like to use my hands for this part. It just smells so relaxing, and the texture helps ease me further into the piece I am creating here. Now comes the part that depends a little bit on your climate. Lightly spritz the mixture with water, then test it with your hand. If it crumbles, spritz again. If it holds its shape, you're ready to move on. Remember, more humid air means add less water. Drier air means add a little bit more. Remember, it just takes a few spritz here and there. You'll know it's ready when the mixture clumps together and keeps its shape without falling apart. Finally, press the mixture firmly into your silicone molds, or feel free to shape them freestyle. If you choose to freestyle, make sure to have wax paper to lay them on for drying. Once molded, leave them to dry for 24 to 48 hours, depending on humidity. When they're ready, they'll be hard to the touch and easy to pop out. And just like that, a handful of simple ingredients have become something new. These little bath bombs are ready to do their job, bringing a moment of peace when the day feels heavy. Always remember, you are worthy of care, you are worthy of peace, and even in the middle of your busy life, you deserve to create moments of calm. Lift it up. So, tonight, I'm giving myself permission to receive the same care I so freely give to everyone else, and I invite you to do the same.